In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly where the block list lives in your Google account and how to restore someone's ability to share files and collaborate with you again. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. This gives you quick access to all Google services. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that, and make sure you're using the account where the person is currently blocked. If you have multiple accounts, it's worth double-checking you're in the right one to avoid confusion later. Look to the top right of the page and click the small grid icon, often called Google Apps. This opens a panel of Google services. From here, select Drive. That takes you straight into your Google Drive, where your files and shared content live. In the top right corner of Drive, click your profile picture. This opens a small menu tied to your current Google session. Choose Manage your Google account. This is where Google keeps the settings that affect your identity, privacy, and how you interact with other users across its services, including Drive. Inside your Google account settings, find and open the People and Sharing section. This area controls things like contacts, visibility, and your block list. It's the central place for managing who can engage with you across Google. Next, select Blocked. Here you'll see a list of people you've blocked. Blocking in Google is account-wide, not just for Drive, so anyone listed here will be restricted from interacting with you across services like Drive and Docs. Find the person you want to unblock and click the X next to their name. Confirm if you're asked. That's it. Unblocking is immediate. Once unblocked, that person can again share files and folders with you, comment on documents you've shared with them, and collaborate in real time. If you don't see the person you're looking for, it means they're not currently blocked on this account. A few quick tips to wrap up. If things still don't work after unblocking, refresh Drive or sign out and back in to sync changes. Remember, you can always return to the same blocked page to reblock someone if needed. And if you're using a work or school account, some options may be managed by your organization's administrator. That's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated from Google to Drive into your account settings and used the blocked list to unblock someone. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.